Phase 1, Day 3. Why agents need structure. In enterprise environments, intelligence without structure doesn't create flexibility. It creates risk. That idea explains why agents must be designed differently at scale. This is unstructured reasoning. It's powerful, it's adaptive, and it looks impressive in demos. But when unstructured reasoning flows directly into action, it creates enterprise risk. Not because the intelligence is wrong, but because it's unconstrained. This is the default failure mode. The system reasons and then it acts. There's no separation, no checkpoint, and no clear owner for the outcome. That's not an AI problem. That's a governance problem. So enterprises introduce a control boundary, not to slow intelligence down, but to decide where intelligence is allowed to act. This boundary separates thinking from doing, and that separation is non-negotiable in high-risk systems. Enterprises don't remove reasoning, they structure it. First comes classification. What kind of situation is this? Not routing, not automation, understanding. Next comes scope. What is the agent allowed to do? And just as importantly, what must it never do? Only then do instructions come into play. This is where judgment is encoded, carefully and conservatively. Everything up to this point is still reasoning. No systems have changed, no data has been mutated. Action doesn't disappear, it gets relocated. Execution happens on the other side of the boundary, and execution is where state changes occur, creating records, updating data, deleting information. If the system mutates state, it is execution. But not all execution carries the same risk. So enterprises don't allow execution to happen in one way. They design execution modes. One mode is draft execution, low-risk changes, provisional records, nothing irreversible, still execution but intentionally constrained. Another mode is recommendation. The agent proposes an action, a human reviews it, accountability stays with the owner. The agent informs, it does not decide. And when confidence is low or risk is high, execution escalates, ownership is transferred, decisions slow down, humans take control. These are not steps in a sequence, they are execution modes. Only one is chosen, based on risk, policy, and confidence. This is the shift enterprises make, from direct action to controlled execution. Structure is what makes intelligence usable at scale, not raw capability, not autonomy, predictability. This is why Agentforce exists, not to remove humans from decisions, but to enforce structure, guardrails, and accountability. Structured intelligence creates trust, and trust is what allows AI to operate in the enterprise. In the next video, we'll go deeper into the first structural layer, classification, and how an agent frames a decision safely.